Coming in at number 1 is the Amelia vase from Dumae's La Femme collection. Capturing the essence of the founder's journey to the south of France, it is elegantly crafted with soft curves and a refined opening, adding a touch of femininity to any space. Each piece is handcrafted in Los Angeles, ensuring unique variations in color and design, making every Amelia vase a one-of-a-kind modern heirloom perfect for elevating and brightening your home. Coming in at number 2 is the Charlize vessel, echoing the serenity of the natural world with its organic curves and subtle undulations reminiscent of gentle rippling sands. As one of the collection's grandest offerings, it dominates any interior with its sophisticated elegance. With every detail meticulously crafted, the Charlize vessel brings a touch of refined artistry and modern luxury to your living space. At number 3, the Giselle bowl, available in both large and small sizes, stands out in Dumae's collection for its sculptural form and artistic presence. This versatile piece, whether displayed alone or as part of a set, infuses any interior with elegance and sophistication, transforming spaces into showcases of refined design. Fourth in line, the Helen candle holder reinterprets traditional design with its elegant organic curves and sophisticated scallop detailing. More than functional, it enhances any tablescape with its distinctive artistic flair, perfect for cultivating a sophisticated ambiance and introducing modern elegance into any setting. Rounding out the top 5 is the Stella vase from Dumae's La Femme collection. Its crescent opening, mirroring the natural contours of the French Riviera, showcases simplicity and elegance. Celebrated for Dumae's rigorous attention to detail, this vase brings a refined beauty to any space, reflecting the timeless charm and exquisite craftsmanship Dumae is known for. And that wraps up our tour of this multi-purpose space. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this in the future. Your support means the world to me and helps us continue exploring amazing places. From all of us here at Est Collective, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next tour.